that fire took off early in the afternoon with a strong southwest wind.
Yeah.
Temperatures made it up into the 90s. That was on the west side of the dry line. So Marty left that fire, went to the east, and we were watching the possibility of storms east side of the dry line. Thankfully, nothing developed here across the state during the daytime. As we said, the potential would be just like this. This would happen near Wichita, near Andover. And you can see this is a video from Amy and Val Castor, because they went north when we didn't see storms just north of our border. This produced several miles of damage. Thankfully, no deaths with this tornado, but it went through several neighborhoods, several businesses, and you can see the motion of that spin, and that tornado easily an EF2, maybe an EF3 damage, but they'll go in there and survey that damage. But again, dangerous tornadoes to the north. 20 reported tornadoes to our north. We had some storms here overnight, but this is another shot for the Andover, Kansas tornadoes. You can see the funnel reaching all the way down to the ground as a tornado, and you can see that debris as somebody was looking outside their window or door from their house. As that is just not a sight that you want to see. It is storm season here, folks. As severe weather will be part of our forecast for the next several days. We have an active pattern to talk about, and hopefully we don't see any scenes like that, but we'll have to watch Monday closely as our next chance of seeing severe weather, including the chance of tornadoes. Here today, man, was it a gorgeous day. After a cold front went through, blue skies, low humidity, and a cool northwest wind. Temperatures pretty seasonable for this time of the year, middle to upper 70s, near 80 off towards the southwest, as you were near 90 or near 100 there in Altus yesterday afternoon, so that 82 was nice and cool. Big spin of low pressure. There's that big severe weather across Wichita and Kansas. There's that line of thunderstorms that did produce golf ball size hail there in Pawnee County and some damaging winds up there. For the most part, most of us stay dry as that cold front moved through with the dry air in place, 75 degrees. Humidity 31%. So light winds, clear skies. These temperatures at 70s right now will cool off pretty quickly here this evening with that setting sun. So just be aware of that. These temperatures will cool down into the 60s, but very delightful right now for your Saturday evening. And overnight, a little chilly, especially off to the north, middle to upper 40s to low 50s. Light variable wind. Very little in the way of cloud cover. Tomorrow, some high-level clouds will build in, and some clouds will build in from the southwest and northeast as we go from the 50s to 60s to near 80 degrees with a southeast wind that'll take over during the afternoon. So definitely a little bit warmer, upper 70s. As the moisture increases, temperatures will make it up in the middle 80s off towards the southwest. And look at our futurecast. Here we go. Severe weather will break out here across the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle and the North Texas, and then that wave of low pressure will make it in here across west and southwest portions of the state. Some of these could be severe tomorrow evening. They will generally weaken, but they will be noisy thunderstorms, a lot of heavy rain, small hail as they move from west to east across the state. Tomorrow night into Monday morning will be wet. These will be some heavy rainmakers, but the severe weather threat thankfully will diminish as they head to the east. A loss of energy in the atmosphere. As you can see, some hail, some wind if those storms hold together and move into the west and southwest Oklahoma tomorrow evening. And again, about 60 to 80% chance, and then that wide range or that wide nature of those showers and thunderstorms as they move across the state. Some of them will produce some heavy rains, up to an inch of rain with that wave of showers and thunderstorms. If we get enough daytime heating, Monday could be a big day as we see temperatures 70s and 80s. Jet stream overhead. We have a good turning of the winds. Up here across north central, I think that would probably be the best chance of storms and also large hail, damaging winds, and maybe a couple tornadoes as a line of thunderstorms will make its way off towards the south. Here across Oklahoma City, I think our best chance after Monday morning storms will be Monday evening with that chance of severe weather. If that's not enough, we get another quiet, beautiful day on Tuesday, low 70s, and then more severe weather and heavy rains Wednesday and Thursday, as some of the models over the next 7 days produce widespread 2 to 3 inches across the state. That would be some great news. Sylvia?